Okay, now we're going to learn how to put in city doors and the windows to each of these buildings. Okay, so there's a rule of thumb, and here's how it goes. The right side of any building, so this is a right side, this is a right side, this is a right, this is the right, this is the right. Every single right side, anything in that square goes to VP2. Anything on the left side of your building, so this is the left, 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 and left, all go to VP number 1. So the first thing I do when I'm going to make like a set of windows, for example, is I will go down my center line and I will tick off like an even increments. It doesn't have to be perfect, but again, you do want some even spacing. So I'm going to tick off some areas where I want my windows to be, for example. So I'm doing 1/2 inch increments. And now, the ones on the right side connect to VP2. The tick marks on this side will connect to VP1. So over here, I'm going to draw this, and then the next tick mark goes this way. So it happens to be like a bike spoke. They're radiating towards the VP instead of the center. So as you come towards the center of your building, they are going to appear very flat and straight. That's correct. Okay, but as they near the top or the bottom of the building, they are going to start to angle perfectly with the edge of the building itself. So all those lines go to VP2. Now this side, excuse me, will go to VP1. Okay, and another way to evenly disperse your windows through these sections is to, again, you're going to want to tick mark off even increments along the line. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, and then what I'll do is I'll go straight up and down. You're going to want to use either the corner of your building or the edge of your paper to find those straight lines, because they can be fairly difficult to get them straight and perfect if you're not using something. Okay, and there's that. Now let's talk about doors. Let's say I wanted a door on this end. First thing you need to do is pick the top of your door. But it's also got to go to the VP. So let's say I wanted my doors right here. Okay, fine, but the top of the doors still has to be angled and going to the vanishing point. And then the vertical lines still have to remain vertical, either with the edge of the paper, preferably, and then those ones go straight down. I feel like that's a little too far, so I'm going to be kind of in the center. Okay. Okay. And then you would erase out those other lines. And then you can put your little doorknobs on those if you'd like. Okay. Now, let's say you wanted an awning to come out. The awning itself comes from the corner of the door, but also goes to a VP. So I'm going to push this one straight out until I'm going to hit the sidewalk. So when I hit the sidewalk, that's where I want it to stop. And then this side of the awning has to go to this VP. And it's like the crisscross of the box. Got to match up your corners. Okay, and where that one matches, that's where it would go straight down to the pavement. And then that would be the awning, for example, or the overhang you'll see in the big cities. Okay. And also you need to finish putting in your sidewalk lines. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that now. Oops, you don't want it on the street. Remember, these ones go to this VP. The other one goes to the other. And all of these go this direction.